G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D TV. I'm KC, and in today's show it's all about updates. But firstly, we would like to say a big warm welcome to all of our new subscribers and watchers, and also all of our old faithful subscribers. We hope you're all doing okay in your part of the world today. Okay, so this is all about updates, but firstly, this is what I look at every day when I'm working on cars or building models. Absolutely beautiful. How quiet it is. Awesome. So I'll let you enjoy the view, and then we'll get straight into these updates. Now these are all the group kit builds that we've joined, so all of the information for these guys will be in the links in the description down below. Click, and a lot of these have, except for the blue Imperial, a lot of these other cars here to the right of the screen that are in grey primer, they have long time frames, August and also end of the year, NASCAR season, and Hobby Links, Christmas, December drop, and I'm behind on the Mad Gasser as well. But anyway, alright, so now starting from the left of the screen, we've got the 1959 Chrysler Imperial. That's Fat Fenders, Fins and Chrome group build, which is late because it's 22, but as you know, and if you don't know, my health's not that great. It's not something that anyone can catch either, by the way. I would have better say that. That's the black base that belongs to that Imperial. And then that's with Time Machine scale models, Rob's channel. And then next door we have the 1967 Mad Gasser build from Michael's model SPEEDSHOP. And that's the Don Nicholson's Mercury Cyclone, the Eliminator 2. Dino Don, however they want to say it. And then we've got the 1957 NASCAR Fireball Roberts build, and both the Mercury and the NASCAR we've had to strip and redo again because we had paint issues. Then next door to that, there we've got PB's and mine group build on the HQ Holden down there, and then beside that there we have the 1965 Coos group build with Hobby Link International. And that's the one on the far right of the screen, which is this 1965 Chevy Impala coupe. So this is where we're up to with all of them bodies and bits and pieces. So stay tuned for those videos to start dropping the different updates, and also the Chrysler Imperial final will look sweet when it's done. I've got to rub the clear down and then give it another last coat of 2K clear, and it should come up nice and flat and smooth and make me happy. Alright, now there's something else that I need you to help me with. So we'll go and check this bit out. Now here's what I need your help with. With the Street Machine build, that's Jason and Heather's channel, Blue Ox Model Shop, up in the top corner of the screen there, and the links are in the description down below for all of these guys like I mentioned. Now I want to know, which pickup do you reckon I should build for the Street Machine build? The Hilux or the Datsun? Either way, it doesn't mind. Now Camaro that you can see up the back there, that'll be included in the Street Machine build, but it won't have a Camaro body. So when we drop those videos, you'll see what happens there. So stay tuned for all of those. We've got all of them coming out. And also to the left of the screen here, you can see 1/64 scales that I'm converting over and putting new bodies on them, all the Aussie cars. So top left corner, we've got the HQ Holden. Beside that, we've got the 1964 EH. Below that, we've got a HR Holden. Then we've got a two-door Tirana. Below the HR with the yellow body is the Mustang body there, that is a FC Holden. Then we've got an XY GT Falcon. We have an FX Holden. We have a four-door A9X Tirana Holden. We also have another two-door Tirana down there. We also have an XB Falcon Coupe. And below that we have a Datsun 240K two-door Skyline as well. And then we've also got the old Mopar Valiant Charger down the bottom there. So let us know. All of these videos will be dropping soon. We're hoping that we can get some in front. I am way behind on watching everyone's videos, and it's because we've had a few rough months, and we still are, but we're hanging in there. Alrighty, so that's it, updates and all of that, what's going on there. So let us know in the comments which one of those pickups to build for the Street Machine build, Blue Ox Model Shop. So as you can see, this is my 1959 Ford console. We want your projects as well as your show cars, as well as your own passionate cars. They do not have to be a show car or a dream car, even a work in process. We can work with all of those sorts of things, so we'd love to hear as we are on the north end of the island. Okay folks, that's the end of the show today. We hope you've enjoyed all of those updates. And like I said, we're still chasing for cars in what's in your workshop, even if they're like mine. See, I haven't even started it yet. So if you've got a project you're going to start, or even a project that's in the process, any of your cars, I would love to talk to you about it and your stories. So please, all the details in the description down below, and everyone else we talked about today, they all have links to their channels down below. So we'd love to hear from you. Thanks very much to Dave from Sorel down the south end of the island there for organising a few cars and his own car. So look forward to talking to those guys in their cars. As from the Northern Island and Cradle Mountain and Devonport area, all around, Ulverston, all of them places. We'd love to hear from you. Alright guys, until next time, take care, look after yourselves, and we'll catch you again on the next one. Bye for now.